The ocean is full of amazing animals. Here are 5 of them playing in the water. We usually think of playing as something just for kids, but animals play too. And not just because they're our cute and cuddly pets. Animals play because it helps them learn about their environment and helps them develop skills they need to survive. It might look like just a bunch of fun, but it's actually super important for their development. Hey there! Welcome to Life Noggin. Have you ever wondered if animals play? I mean, like play? This is not only an impressive feat of strength, but also a playful one. Whales are also known for their playful nature, and it's not uncommon to see them swimming around and doing flips and other acrobatic movements. Let us know in the comments section below. And while you're down there, don't forget to click the like button because it really helps us grow. Also, make sure to check out this video right here. We think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. See ya! Whales are super intelligent, and it's thought that they play to help socialize and strengthen bonds within their pods. Playing is also a great way for them to relieve stress and blow off some steam. Now let's head under the sea and see what some of our favorite ocean creatures get up to when they are not busy with, eating and stuff. So next time you're feeling down, just think of all the amazing animals that are having a blast in the ocean and try to find the joy in your own life. First up, we have to meet the most playful of them all, the octopus. Now, don't let their small size fool you. Octopuses are super smart and surprisingly playful. They're known for being super adorable, but they're also super playful. Sea otters have been observed using rocks as tools to crack open shellfish. They'll pick up a rock in one of their paws and use it to smash the shells of their prey. But sometimes they also use the rocks for games of their own, batting them around and tossing them in the air. They're also known for wrestling with each other, chasing each other around in circles and even riding on the backs of their friends. Just like sea otters, seals are also known for being playful. They're super active animals who like to have fun in the water. Seals will often slide and twist and turn in the water just for fun, and they'll also chase each other around and play with rocks. They can squeeze through tiny cracks to explore new areas and seem to enjoy investigating things that are new to them. When an octopus finds something interesting, it will often pick it up with one of its arms and use another arm to kind of bat at it and push it around like a little kid playing with a new toy. Octopuses also seem to enjoy the game of hide and seek. They can change color and texture to match their surroundings to hide from predators, but sometimes they just do it for fun. Next, let's meet the dolphins. Dolphins are known for their high energy and playful nature. These sea creatures are super social and like to have fun in groups. Dolphins are constantly chasing each other around, leaping through the air and blowing bubbles. They'll even use their snouts to spray water high into the air like a playful water gun. Dolphins are super curious too. They like to investigate new things and will often bring their favorite toys to the surface to show off to their friends. Now let's take a look at sea life. Sea otters are the smallest marine mammals on the planet, but they make up for their size with their playful antics. Next, let's meet the whales. Humpback whales are known for their acrobatic breaches, where they jump out of the water and slam back down. From the playful otters to the acrobatic whales, the ocean is full of fun-loving creatures. Wow! It's amazing to see how different animals play in different ways. Do you have a favorite? Which one do you want to play with?